top 10 countries by population in 2024. At number 1 we have China, the most populous country with over 1.4 billion people. Known for its vast landscape and rich history, China continues to be a powerhouse on the global stage. Coming in a close second is India, on the brink of surpassing China in population. India is a land of diverse cultures, languages and traditions, making it one of the most vibrant countries in the world. The United States ranks third, known for its economic and cultural influence. With a population over 330 million, it's a melting pot of cultures and innovations. Fourth on our list is Indonesia, the largest archipelago nation with over 17,000 islands. It's a country with a significant Muslim population and a rich cultural heritage. Pakistan stands at number 5, a South Asian country with a rich cultural heritage and a rapidly growing population. Its diverse landscape ranges from mountains to deserts. In 6th place is Brazil, the largest country in South America. Known for its Amazon rainforest and vibrant culture, Brazil is a land of natural beauty and lively traditions. Nigeria, Africa's most populous country, ranks 7th. With a young population and diverse ethnic groups, Nigeria is a nation full of potential and cultural richness. 8th on the list is Bangladesh, a densely populated country with significant agricultural and textile industries. Despite its size, it's a nation with a strong cultural identity. Russia, the largest country by land area, is 9th in population. Most of its population is concentrated in West, but it spans a diverse range of cultures and climates. Finally, at number 10 we have Mexico. Known for its rich history and vibrant culture, Mexico has a significant influence in North America and rapidly growing population.